Hi, and welcome to the world of PHsPeed. My name is Rosie, and in this video, I'll show you a new component available as of version 3 and often requested by our users. It is an implementation of the double select box, where you can make a multi-select and update two database tables simultaneously. In database terms, we call it an end-to-end implementation. I will use the pets database that you can see here. A family can have one or more pets, and each person can select a favorite pet. In this sample, we can maintain a family member and select a number of their favorite pets. I have already created the project in the editable grid example, so I will extend this sample project here. I just added a CRUD form using the application wizard. I now add a row and a column to the form and add the double select box component. Remember, PHsPeed uses the Bootstrap grid to lay out your forms. The main table is family. However, the favorite pets are stored on the family pets table. The description of the pets is on the pets table, so let me show you how to set up things. I start by adding the double select component to the form. Because I need access to two new database tables, I must add two DB tables and two data sources to the form. The first new data set needs to reference the family pets table. Because the value depends on the main family table, I need to set up a master detail relationship between table 1 that references the family table and table 2. The second new dataset is a simple one. It is just a reference lookup for the pet's name based on the pet ID. The data sources are used to bind the data to the components. A master detail relationship is created by defining the master data source on the client's table, and then creating a mapping between the referential keys. The final thing to do is to set the database and field references on the double select box. The box will update the family pets table, so we need to assign the data source to and the pet's ID. We do not need to define the family ID, as that value has been set as the key in the master detail relationship of the tables. The database toolbar is bound to the main table, which is the family table. To have the fields bound to the family pets table respond like those that reference the main table, the double selection box must be told to listen to the same database toolbar. That is done by setting the sync2form data source property to true. Now, we are ready to generate and run the code. As you can see here, the double select box shows the current state, and you can select and unselect data. To finish this example, there are two other things I want to show you. First, I want to set titles above the field and select boxes, and I want a bit more space for the double select box. The titles are properties of the double select box. To give the component more space, you need to define a value for the device class of the Bootstrap column. PHsPeed is a very versatile low-code tool to create web applications that really can boost your productivity. This sample was made without writing any code. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you again in one of the others. Thank you for watching.